Someone in the world has a stroke, but did you know that many strokes can be prevented if we recognize the warning sign early? Welcome to Medical Simplified. In this video, I will explain what is stroke and what is sign and symptoms of stroke and how you can prevent a stroke. What is a stroke? A stroke happens when the blood flow to part of the brain is blocked or reduced without oxygen and nutrients in brain cells begin to dead within minutes. I will explain this very simple word. A stroke is like a heart attack of the brain. Ischemic stroke blockage due to clot about 85% of all the stroke. Hemorrhagic stroke when a blood vessel bursts and causes bleeding of the brain. Cases and respected to stroke, the same condition that affect your heart and also increase your risk factor of stroke. Common cases and risk factor to include high blood pressure, smoking, high cholesterol, diabetes, obesity, stress, and family history of stroke. But remember, stroke does not happen in old ages. It can occur at any age if those risks are ignored. Early warning sign and symptoms of stroke. A stroke comes suddenly that way it called medical emergency. Here are the key warnings you should never ignore. Sudden numbness or weakness or face, arms or legs, especially one side. Sudden confusion or trouble speaking. Sudden trouble seeing from one or both eyes. Sudden dizziness or lose of balance. Severe sudden headache with no known cases. I will explain fast method test. The easiest way remember stroke warning sign is the fast method. If face dropping, ask the person to simply end one side dropping. A arm weakness, ask them to arise but arms. Does one arm deflect down? Is speech difficulty? Ask them to speak. Is their speech slurred or strange? Take time to call emergency. If you notice any of those signs, call help immediately. I will explain diagnosis and treatment. Treatment depending on the types. Ischemic stroke medicine or procedure remove the clot. For hemorrhagic stroke, surgery may be needed to stop bleeding. Remember, the faster treatment start, less damage to the brain. I will explain prevention tips. Here the best part, most strokes are preventable. You can reduce your risk by controlling blood pressure, managing diabetes, eating healthy less salt and more fruit and vegetables. Exercise lasts 30 minutes per day. Getting regular checkup. Avoid smoking and alcohol. Simple lifestyle changes can protect your brain for a lifetime. Stroke brain attack cases by blockade or burst vessel. Watch for fast sign, face, arms and speech time. Act immediately because every second saves and saves. If you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe to Medical Simplified for more medical educational videos.